Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Britney Spears' toxic outfit on Just Impress. I know I've been doing her outfits a lot, but I just think her music video outfits are very iconic. So let's get started with the video, moving everything except for the ones I did adjustments on. So almost everything. For the hat, I used this hat in the same color as the outfit. So save this blue, 3F659D. Then for the pin, I used this necklace in 91712B. All the same colors, but the last one is the metallic material. Position the X at 0.43, Y 0.4, Z 0.35. Rotate the X to 0.76 and scale it to 0.57. I did use the VIP earrings, but let's just move on to the outfit first. Oh, never mind. I did use a VIP top, which is this one in the same color in matte. And then for that matte again, that same color, and I just left the buckle white. Then for the hair, I used this hair. You can't really see it. I don't know why in this blonde. And then I know it's not the same hair. I used this skirt in this color, and then the button in that color, but in matte. So you can't really see it that much. Then I did use the cowboy jacket here in the third one in this color in matte. And for the shoes, I just use these ones, the secret heels, in all white. I actually don't know what shoes she wears. Shoes she wears, that was hard to say. I used these VIP earrings in, I think, this color. I don't know. I think this one in the middle gray. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.